Okay, hello everyone. Let us continue the second part of today's class. So substituting equation 7 into equation 3. This is equation 7. Okay, and this is equation 3. Okay, we can get Pm is equal to 2 times the integration from 0 to pi minus psi 1 over 2 pi exponential minus capital R squared over 2 times sigma squared d theta. And so we can see that okay, these two and these two can be cancelled. So we cancel these two constants. Okay, these two and these two, okay, can be cancelled. Okay, so then we have this equation. Okay, so this is equal to 1 over pi times the integration from 0 to pi minus psi exponential minus capital R squared over 2 times sigma squared d theta. Okay, we call this equation equation 8. Okay, to continue, we need the law of sines. Okay, do you remember what is the law of sines? Okay, you have learned it when you are in senior high school. Okay, okay. Let us review this. Review the law of sines. Okay, in trigonometry, the law of sine, sine law, sine formula, or sine rule is an equation relating the length of the sides of a triangle, any shape, to the size of its angles. Okay, then according to the law, okay, this is an triangle. Okay, capital ABC, and the length of this side is called small a, and the length of this side is called small b, and the length of this side is called c, and this angle is called alpha, and this angle is called beta, and this angle is called gamma. Okay, so I think I can move it. Okay, move it to the center. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I can move it to the center. Okay, like this. Okay, so this equation, we call this equation 9. Okay, so A over sine alpha is equal to B over sine beta is equal to C over sine gamma is equal to 2 times R prime. Okay, where small a, small b, and small c are the lengths of the sides of a triangle. Here, okay, small a, small b, and small c. And alpha, beta, and gamma are the opposite angles. See figure 2. Okay, alpha is the opposite angle of A, and beta is the opposite angle of B, and gamma is the opposite angle of C. Okay, where capital R prime is the radius of the triangle's circumcircle. Okay, do you mean the Chinese meaning of circumcircle? Okay, it is the 外接圆. Okay, in figure 1, let us focus on triangle EOSN as shown in figure 3. Okay, this triangle, triangle EOSN, okay, where the segment SN, the length of the segment ESN is equal to R. And this angle is equal to theta. And this angle is equal to psi. Okay. And we call the length of the segment SNO as x0. Okay, according to the law of sines, Okay, so R over sine psi. Okay, it should be italic. Okay, R over sine psi is equal to x0 over sine of, okay, this angle. This angle is equal to pi minus theta minus psi. Oh, I need to correct this. Okay, this is pi. Okay, and this is theta. And this is psi. Okay, we call this equation 10. Okay, because okay, because sine of pi minus theta minus psi is equal to sine of theta plus psi. Okay, we call this equation 11. Okay, we can get okay, so we can get R is equal to x0, okay, times sine psi and over sine of theta plus psi. So substituting equation 12 into equation 8, we can get, okay, this is equation 12 and this is equation 8. Okay, so Pm is equal to 1 over pi times integration 0 from 0 to pi minus psi exponential of minus x0 square sine square of psi over 2 sigma square sine square of theta plus psi d theta. Okay, we call this equation 13. Okay, it is 25 minutes. Let us take a break.